Hello friends, my name is Amanpreet Singh and today I am here to discuss about the most common programming language, that is our Python language. In this session, I will discuss about the scope of Python, job types, job trends and some question that arises in our mind, that is it beneficial for a fresher or not. So let's move on. Introduction. Python is interactive, high-level programming language. We can say Python is object-oriented language, but we can't say it is a pure object-oriented language because it has some procedure function as well. Python programming language was conceived by Guido van Rossum in 1989 at CWI Lab located at Netherlands. Its first version was released in 1991, second version was released on 2000 and third version was released on 2008. And if I talk about its feature, it is the most easiest programming language as compared to other languages. It is interpreted language, mean the code is executed line by line, which make it easy to debug and test. Object oriented, mean it supports classes and object also. GUI programming, mean it has graphical user interface. Portable. Python software is available for Windows, Mac, Linux and other operating systems as well. It is free and open source. It has large libraries which is used to implement variety of functions. And the most common question arises, why should I learn Python? Python language is used to develop a website. We can also develop a game with the use of Python, do machine learning, perform data analysis, perform scientific computing, build artificial intelligence, and further go for software testing, as well as it is used to handle big data. And next question arises about the scope of Python programming language. Python language is everywhere. Some companies like Google, YouTube, Yahoo, Facebook, Instagram and Netflix are using Python language, and some organizations like NASA, NSA are using Python language for their scientific purpose. According to Stack Overflow 2018 report, Python is a language people most want to learn it, as it is used for data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence, which are the most demanding job in nowadays as well as coming year. And if I talk about job availability in IT sector, Python language is used for many purposes. You can work as a Python developer, software developer, DevOps engineer. And if I talk about pay scale of Python in India, the average pay scale starts from 3 lakh per annum for a Python developer, 5 lakh per annum for software developer, 8 lakh for data scientist and 5 lakh per annum for data analyst. In last, the most important question arises, what is the eligibility to learn Python language? Python is a beginner language. That means if you haven't any knowledge of other languages, you can start learn Python language. As I said, it is the most easiest language as compared to other languages. But I prefer if you have some basic knowledge of C language, then you can easily grab this language as well. So friends, do share your valuable feedback for this Python introduction session and stay tuned for next update of data science and machine learning. Thank you.